Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 29th, 2024, and we're diving into McDonald's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. McDonald's, the global fast food giant, has just released its Q3 2024 earnings report. It's an interesting mix of growth in some areas and challenges in others. So let's break it down.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. McDonald's reported consolidated revenues of nearly $6.9 billion for the quarter, marking a 3% increase over the previous year. John, what are the key drivers behind this revenue growth?
The revenue growth is primarily driven by increased sales at company-owned restaurants and a slight uptick in franchised restaurant revenues. Despite a challenging global environment, McDonald's has managed to maintain its revenue growth trajectory thanks to effective marketing campaigns and digital expansion.
However, we see a slight dip in earnings per share, down 1% to $3.13. Can you explain this?
Yes, the decrease in EPS is largely due to increased operating costs and restructuring charges. However, it's worth noting that McDonald's declared a 6% increase in its quarterly cash dividend, which is a positive signal to investors about the company's confidence in its cash flow and future prospects.
Global sales performance. Moving on to global sales performance, McDonald's reported a 1.5% decrease in global comparable sales. What factors contributed to this decline?
The decline in global comparable sales is primarily due to weaker performance in international markets. While U.S. sales saw a modest increase of 0.3%, international operated markets and developmental licensed markets faced challenges, particularly in France, the UK, and China. The ongoing geopolitical tensions in the Middle East also played a role in dampening sales.
Despite these challenges, system-wide sales remained flat. How did McDonald's manage to stabilize these figures?
McDonald's has been focusing on its loyalty programs and digital initiatives, which have helped stabilize system-wide sales. The company's strategic emphasis on value and affordability continues to resonate with consumers, especially in the U.S. market.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's discuss operational efficiencies. McDonald's reported a 1% decrease in operating income. What were the main factors affecting this?
The decrease in operating income is attributed to restructuring charges and impairment costs. McDonald's is undergoing significant changes under its Accelerating the Arches strategy, which involves modernizing operations and enhancing customer experience. These initiatives, while costly in the short term, are expected to drive long-term growth.
CEO Chris Kempczynski emphasized the company's focus on value and affordability. How does this align with their future strategy?
McDonald's is committed to providing everyday value to its customers, which is crucial in the current economic climate where consumers are more budget-conscious. By leveraging its scale and operational efficiencies, McDonald's aims to maintain its competitive edge and continue expanding its market share globally.
Key takeaways. In summary, McDonald's Q3 2024 earnings report presents a mixed bag of results. While revenue growth and dividend increases are positive, the company faces challenges in international markets. John, what are your final thoughts on McDonald's investment prospects?
McDonald's remains a strong player in the fast food industry, with a robust strategy focused on value and digital growth. Despite some headwinds, the company's long-term prospects look promising, especially with its commitment to operational efficiencies and customer-centric initiatives.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on McDonald's performance in the comments below.